What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on a brand new Saxdor 320 GTO. Meet me on board. So starting off with the transom of the Saxdor here, we have twin 300 Mercury outboards. You get a joystick with those. This boat also has a bow thruster as well, so it's going to make docking and ease. Now you're going to notice there's SeaDeck throughout this boat. It's actually custom for Saxdor. They have their logo over here on the side of the boat, both port and starboard. It's very nice underneath your feet. It doesn't get too hot. Extremely comfortable and stylish. So you have a bench seat here where you can sit on either side of it, facing the table or facing aft. This backrest will actually move, and with the buttons you can adjust the backrest for different angles. Working your way into the boat here, there's a nice little step down in the back. You can close these gates off, simply lift up, twist back, and then they'll lock into place. So if you have any smaller kids or pets, when you're moving, it's a nice thing to close off and make this a secure area. So this is a teak table here. You either have it deployed like this, and you get some cup holders in it, or you can fold these up. Have a little bit more room walking through here, and reveals 4 more cup holders. So you can also turn this back seat into a sun lounger. Simply compress the button. This will slide forward, making it a lounger. Also, there's storage underneath the seat. Undo the 2 latches, lift it up. We have a large storage compartment here. We have our shore power core here, as well as a fire extinguisher that's mounted. One very cool feature about this boat is that it has the fold down sides. Simply press this button, that will unlock the side, and then you have your control panel here on the starboard side that will control both port and starboard fold down sides. So there's also a freshwater sprayer here. So when you have those sides down, you're getting on the boat, you can spray yourself off before you get into the rest of the boat. You have another bench seat here, which you can either have it forward more, which will give you more seating on your cockpit table, or you can simply slide this. Now this is on a track where it can easily be slid back here, and then that'll give you access to your summer kitchen here. You have a hot top, a sink, cutting board, 6 cup holders here, as well as more storage. I'm going to film this one. Speakers throughout the boat. So you have JL audio speakers. Another nice thing about this boat is how large the hardtop is. Down in Florida, the sun's hot. It's nice to have shade. You have the open sides on this boat, so you still get a great breeze and plenty of sun coverage. And there's lights throughout the hardtop here. You got 3, 6, 9. Now continuing forward. Another nice feature, the captain's chairs are bolstered. So you have your bench seats back there, but at the helm here, the seats are bolstered, so whether you want more leg room, you can have them down, or more space to stand up and drive, you can lift these up. Now at the helm, we have our throttles here, which have active trim. You have your bow thruster, great for when you're pulling into a slip. You have your auto trim tabs, so those are self-leveling. That's an upgrade from the normal just manual trim tabs. You have your joystick, which with the joystick you're going to get sky hook, heading hold, which is essentially autopilot. It's nice when you're going through the intercoastal, you can actually hit that, and then instead of driving at the helm here, you just use the joystick. You can twist it or lean it over to the side, depending on what degree you want to change your course. More cup holders at the helm here. The captain and his co-pilot can have a nice cup holder, grab handles. So if people are staying on the side of the boat, they can grab and hold on to this. Always nice when you're up on plane. You have a wireless charger, as well as another storage compartment here. You have flush mounted Simmer electronics. I really like the flush mount like this. It blends right in with the acrylic backing. It looks really nice. You have all your switches right here. Got the nice backing as well. And then the captain has a footrest here, as well as your Simrad radio. Everything within arm's reach. Another convenient thing about this boat is all your battery switches are right under the captain's chair here. You have your engine batteries, your service, and your bow thruster batteries all right here, easy to access. Now, meet me down below. So now that we're down below on this 320 GTO Saxdor, you'll notice that we have a large bunk here. 2 people could easily overnight on this boat. Plenty of lighting throughout the boat here, as well as natural lighting. You have these glass panels above you that allows in that natural light, which is really nice. So it's not just all artificial. You have a additional seat here. Maybe you want to sit here and read a book. You have a light right here for that. You have your head over here on the starboard side, which you can undo this button and close it off. Like so. And when you do that, you're actually going to reveal your storage compartment right here. There's a nice countertop on here as well. You can put smaller items up there. And this is magnetic, so when it's in that position, it'll be held closed. On this panel, you have all your breakers, and your JL audio control. Now working our way forward, you have a nice large sun pad up here in the front of the boat. 2 people can easily sit out and relax here. Got a cup holder on either side. More speakers up here, so whoever's enjoying the beautiful view up here still can enjoy the music. And you'll see in the gunnels, we have the smaller rod holder. That's for the bow sunshade. So that'll clip off the hard top. You plug in your poles. Then you'll have shade here, or if you want to soak in the rays, you can leave it just like how it is right now. And you have more grab handles up here, so if anyone's up in the front of the boat, they can still hold on to these and feel secure. And that's going to conclude the walkthrough video on this Saxdor 320 GTO.